As AI continues to advance, it's becoming clear many jobs are at serious risk, and the pace isn't slowing down. We are already seeing mass layoffs in industries that rely on intellectual labor. Artists and graphic designers are being replaced by generative AI that can produce high quality work in seconds, something that used to take hours or even days. Those paying attention can see it. Human intellect is being challenged by artificial intelligence. Many still deny this, but denial won't stop what's coming. Yes, it's painful to accept. You've put in years of effort only to face the possibility of being replaced by machines. The economy is shifting fast. Those who know how to work with AI will be in demand. Those who don't, they risk being left behind. So, is your job safe? That depends on how adaptable you are and whether you can integrate AI into your workflow. In the near future, we might see a form of universal basic income to prevent mass unrest. But relying on that won't put you ahead. It will only keep you afloat. So, what can you do? Learn how AI works in your industry. Stay updated with the latest developments. If your role is truly at risk, start pivoting into careers that AI can support rather than replace. Some people will thrive in an AI-driven world. Others will struggle, and some may turn to destructive paths to cope. But for those willing to adapt, this disruption could lead to a spiritual and intellectual renaissance, free from the burden of survival. For now, all we can do is stay alert, stay informed, and prepare. Or you can go live in a farm in Arkansas and raise some oats, as we are probably cooked.